coming in 2025. From groundbreaking designs to powerful new features, these upcoming phones are set to change the game. Expect the latest from Apple, Samsung, Google, and more. Stay ahead of the curve and discover what's next in mobile technology. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button for all the exciting details. And watch full video without dragging. So friends, let's start the video.
Xiaomi Mi 15 Ultra. The Xiaomi Mi 15 Ultra is a flagship smartphone that blends top-tier performance with sleek design. It boasts a 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, offering vibrant colors and ultra-smooth visuals. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, it ensures lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. The quad-camera setup, including a 200MP main sensor, captures stunning high-resolution photos and 8K videos. A 5500 mAh battery with 120W fast charging guarantees all-day power. With 5G connectivity, the Mi 15 Ultra provides fast internet speeds, while its durable, stylish build makes it a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics.
Number 4. OnePlus 13 Pro. The OnePlus 13 Pro is a premium smartphone that combines performance and elegance. It features a 6.8-inch Fluid AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, it delivers blazing fast performance and efficient multitasking. The triple camera system, including a 64MP main lens, captures stunning images and 8K videos with ease. Its 5000 mAh battery supports super-fast 100W charging, ensuring all-day power. With 5G support, the OnePlus 13 Pro guarantees lightning-fast connectivity, and its sleek, durable design adds a refined touch to your everyday tech experience.
Number 3. Google Pixel 9 Pro. The Google Pixel 9 Pro is a flagship smartphone that combines sleek design with cutting-edge technology. Featuring a 6.7-inch OLED display, it offers sharp, vibrant visuals and smooth scrolling with a 120Hz refresh rate. Powered by Google's custom-built Tensor G3 chip, the Pixel 9 Pro delivers exceptional performance and AI-driven features. Its advanced triple camera system, including a 50MP main sensor, captures stunning photos and 4K videos with remarkable detail. The phone supports all-day battery life with fast charging and 5G connectivity for seamless internet speeds. With Android 15 out of the box, the Pixel 9 Pro offers an intuitive, clean software experience, plus 5 years of software updates.
Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is a powerhouse smartphone designed for those who demand the best. Featuring a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, it offers incredible clarity and vivid color. Powered by the Exynos 2500 processor, or Snapdragon 9 Gen 3 in select markets, it ensures lightning-fast performance and efficiency. The quad-camera system, with a 200MP main sensor, delivers stunning photos and 8K video recording. With a massive 6000 mAh battery, the S25 Ultra supports super-fast charging for all-day use. 5G connectivity ensures blazing download speeds, and the sleek, durable design is enhanced by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. The S25 Ultra also supports the S Pen, making it the ultimate device for productivity.
And finally, number 1 on this list. Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, introducing the Apple iPhone 17 Pro Max, a cutting-edge smartphone that redefines innovation. Featuring a stunning 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display, this device offers unmatched visual clarity and vibrant colors. Powered by the A19 Bionic chip, it delivers lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. The advanced triple camera system with improved night mode captures breathtaking photos and videos in any lighting condition. With 5G support, experience ultra-fast download speeds and smooth streaming. The iPhone 17 Pro Max also boasts an all-day battery life, perfect for power users. Its sleek design is complemented by ceramic shield protection for enhanced durability. Face ID security and iOS 18 make navigation and privacy more secure than ever. Available in stunning new colors, the iPhone 17 Pro Max sets a new standard for premium smartphones.